fun and keeps me busy.
Kenyan Defence Forces officers have already arrived in Kericho ahead of the Mashujaa Day celebration parade. The army men temporarily halted their drills to join the Kericho County government in planting 1,500 trees. And during the tree event held at Kericho Teachers Training College, Brigadier Jatani Gula, who led the various contingents in the exercise, expressed KDF's commitment to contributing to the national strategy of planting 15 billion trees.
For us, it is a very humble, a very fulfilling opportunity for us to be able to contribute to this tree planting. And we are ready to plant as many trees as possible wherever we get it, not only today, until we live here. And for the disciplined forces, as you are aware, we are doing our best to conserve our environment so that we have a better environment.
Present, the forest cover for Kericho County is 22%. It is higher than others, but we want to achieve at least 30%. And so every year, this year we're planting 4 million trees. So today, the trees that we're planting, the 1,500, is a step in the right direction.
We have lost a lot of trees through illegal logging. We need to replant these trees so that we don't witness bad weather conditions or climatical changes in future. We are planting this for our children, just like our forefathers planted this for us.
Right, that's a wrap for News. Thank you for watching. My name is Fatia Mohammed.